For this one-page review paper, the topic that caught my mind was in Chapter 5 when we talked about structuralism versus functionalism. This is something that I've heard before, and I was sitting down and thinking about where I've heard it and where I've talked about it. And I know I've mentioned this in a paper before about a topic that is about John Locke's theory. Was that I've heard these in my intro to philosophy class and also my ethics class. A lot has actually, from those classes at State Fair, has related to this class. And I just think it's cool how far we have come, and still this debate where we started with structuralism, and that's where they started in philosophy, and have moved into, instead of looking about how it's structured, we don't so much look at the structure of the mind anymore as the function of the mind, as to why it works the way it does, why we feel the things we do. And I feel like in some ways now they're also in a way incorporated. Like, yes, we look at why does the mind do this, but we look at how does it do it. Like, it's doing this because of what? Like, what in the structure of the mind is causing it to function this way? I do think that we are mainly focused on the function, as versus when I first learned about this in my philosophy class, we were just thinking about the structure of the mind and just really introducing the mind itself and figuring out what it even was as a being. So yeah, I just really think it's cool how I can take all that information I learned at State Fair, classes that I really didn't even understand how I needed, but my advisor at the time said these would be good for you, and now I'm in my final semester of college, and all of this stuff that I learned then is now tying together and making sense about how philosophy and ethics and all of that even relates to the science of psychology and what we're studying now.